I first started Prairie River Honey Farm, it was about 2011, and started as a hobby in actually my parents' backyard. And I developed a passion for nature and had the desire to become my own business owner.
So Conservation Blueprint has been around for 3 years, provides pollinator seed, designs pollinator seed mixtures, and to work with people on establishing, managing, designing great pollinator habitat. They're a sideline beekeeper, it's a business. I'm a hobbyist, and we met and we talked bees. That's what beekeepers do, we talk bees. And they talked about how they were having a hard time accessing good, high-quality forage.
Pete Berthelsen was able to contact the Matthews in St. Paul here, which is where the hives are located. And that's right next to a wildlife management area that has pollinator habitat, and it's several hundred acres, so it's actually a perfect place to put the bees. The honeybees, like the #1 crucial pollinator. I think it's estimated that over 1/3 of the food that people consume is pollinated by honeybees.
Honeybees are the #1 most iconically recognized insects.
That's the queen bee right there. Well, when you first get to a beehive, you have to be really still and present with the bees, because they can sense whenever the hive is being disturbed.
It just went up my sleeve.
Once you open up the hive, you really slow down and just see thousands of bees working, and from different jobs of raising brood to bring in honey and pollen. And you can just see the whole hierarchy of the bees working together.
They hibernate, they migrate. Honeybees stay alive all the way through the winter. And that's what they're storing and making honey, is to get through that period when they don't leave the hive. It's incredible.
The honey is pure and ready to be harvested.
People are interested in products that are produced locally and have those benefits. There's also all kinds of benefits that we think are in having local honey for people that have hay fever and reactions to that some of the pollen that is in that honey can help with those issues.
It's pretty amazing to actually taste the raw honey that the bees produce from Nebraska. And when we give consumers samples of it, they say it's the best honey they've ever tasted in their lives. So I think that's really satisfactory to provide a pure raw product to the consumer.
It's really important to think about species that are going to do well in your area, and then think about what your objectives are. I kind of put things into 3 categories. I want to just benefit honeybees, I want to benefit things like monarch butterflies, or I want to benefit all pollinators. That's how we would design and think about the seed mixture that we would do for a project. If there's existing grass, we need to remove that competition, because most of the wildflower species we want to use are kind of gentle and they need a little elbow room as they're getting started. So we want to really think about our site preparation, the design of the mixture, and then how we've planted it.